Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda and today I'm going to be packing my bag for 4 months of travel in Southeast Asia. So usually I wouldn't do this type of video because my channel is more art related and like bullet journaling and stuff. But because this is going to be such a huge part of my life the next 4 months, I thought I would sort of branch out and see if it's something that you guys would be interested in watching. So I'm probably gonna be making more travel related videos on top of my art videos. So if you haven't heard, in my last few videos I've mentioned that I'm going traveling for the next 4 months, and I'm going to Southeast Asia primarily. I'm starting off in Vietnam and Cambodia, and obviously these places have very warm climates, so I'm just enjoying the last few days I can spend with my sweaters. It's really something special to be able to do, and I'm just so excited. But enough talking, let's get started with the video. So this is the backpack that I'll be bringing, and this is by a company called Tortuga. And this model is called the Set Out Backpack. So it's 45 liters, and for some people that might be a little too much, and for others it might be too little. But for me, I think it's just perfect. I can bring all my essentials and have just enough clothes with me. So I'm really excited about this, and I hope that it is good on the road as well. Okay, so if we start over here, here are my one pieces. So I'm bringing this dress here, which is pretty long. It's almost floor length, and then it has buttons all the way down. Then I'm bringing this black jersey wrap dress. It's just super soft and really comfortable to wear. And then I'm bringing this floral jumpsuit, which is just shorts and a tank top. Then going down here, I have pretty much the bulk of my wardrobe. So these are all my tops, and I have one t-shirt and a few tank tops. Then I have one long sleeve, and then I think I'm gonna wear one long sleeve as well. And I have a pair of very lightweight, I think it's cotton pants, that are super breathable and comfortable to wear even when it's really warm. And then I have these long flared pants, which are super loud and I love them. Then I have shorts here, and lastly I'm bringing two skirts, one just below the knee and one full-length maxi skirt. Then down here I have my night clothes. So this is just a regular set of shorts and a t-shirt. And then I have this very, very thin cashmere sweater. So I think this will be really good for like air-conditioned malls or anywhere air-conditioned that we might be going. Then going up here, I have two sarongs. Oh, and I also brought my sunglasses here. Then I have my bikinis and bathing suits. So I have two bras with underwire. I have one in like a skin color, which is strapless, and then I have a black one which has straps on it. Then I have two more like sporty bras, and then down here I have underwear, about 10 pairs of underwear, and then I have 4 pairs of socks, and then I'm bringing these very comfortable yoga shorts. And to move on, up here I have all this sort of boring gadgety stuff. So here is my day bag. So this one actually folds out and becomes a huge backpack, which is super nice for day trips or if we're going hiking or trekking or something like that. Then I have my travel sheet here. Then my friend gave me this mosquito net, but it's only for the head, and I don't know if I'm gonna use this or not, but I guess we'll see. Here I have a rain cover for my bag. Here is my towel. So this is a microfiber towel. This is just like an electronics bag with my camera charger and adapters for all the different countries I'm going to. Over here in this little cute bag, I have my external hard drive and extra battery for my camera. In this little white pouch, I have all the medicinal stuff that I might need on this trip. So I have my malaria pills, I have different antibiotics, as well as some band-aids and stuff like that. Then over here I just have a few extra bags, and these are just like linen pouches, and this one is a little bit bigger. And here is my toiletry bag. This is how it looks, and then it actually has this fold out hook, so I can hang it up to look like that. Lastly, I have my shoes. So I'm going to be bringing a pair of flip-flops for the beach and when I'm like in hostels and stuff. Okay, so I know these are not very pretty, but these are really, really comfortable and perfect for walking. So I'm probably going to be spending most of my walking hours in these. And aside from this pair, I'm gonna bring a pair of running shoes, which are my sort of trekking shoes, and I'll be using those for when we're walking far. This is sort of my electronics personal department over here. I know a lot of people would recommend not bringing a computer, but if I need to keep making videos, which I really want to, this is a must. I can't really compromise on that. Charger for my computer, iPhone charger. This little plastic box is just from like Band-Aids, and I'm using this for my memory cards. Then I have my tripod, 2 different headphones because of course my iPhone only takes this plug, my Kindle. I wanted something that had just my books where I could just concentrate on that and not get like distracted by notifications or whatever on my phone. Then I have my Rode microphone. So this is a lapel mic and I'm actually wearing it right now. Then I have my art supplies over here. Very limited, I know it's painful. I have my journal here, which I'll be using for all my recording of the trip and art and stuff. Then I have my watercolors and my pencil case, and I will show you what I'm bringing exactly in a different video. Here I have my packing cubes, which I am going to be packing all of my clothes into. Then I have these 3 plastic pouches. I'm going to be carrying my passports and all the very important stuff that I can keep close to my body in this one. Okay, so this is a fire detector slash bag alarm slash emergency alarm. Over here I have my 2 Tsa Safe Locks. So these I'm going to be putting on my bag. I have a flashlight here. Then here I have my other day bag or purse. So this will probably be my go-to everyday bag. And now I've probably forgotten something, but if not, then this was everything that I am packing for my 4 months in Southeast Asia. I'm going to show you how I pack everything into these packing cubes. These are really going to condense everything so you get as much out of the space you have. I fold everything by rolling it. For example, this t-shirt here. I fold this in half first, and then I fold it in half again. And then all I do is roll it really tight all the way down. So I'm going to start by putting all of my tops into this. With a bit of blood, sweat, and tears, you should be able to fit a lot into these packing cubes. Okay, so this next cube will be my swimwear. And again, I'm just gonna fold everything and put it neatly in here. The thing I like most about this backpack is that it opens at the front and not at the top. So I can actually access everything from the front of my bag instead of having to like reach down and pull everything out to find my stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the big one that just fits very snugly down here. And the other 2 packing cubes just go at the top here. So most of it will be going in this front pocket here. It has a bunch of compartments and places that you can slide down stuff. And this will be one of the compartments that lock. And then the rest of my stuff will be going into this day bag. And that is what I'm packing for 4 months of travel. This is how it looks on. And I think this weighs about 12.5 kilos fully packed, which is within the recommended range. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm super interested to hear if you guys have any experiences with backpacking or if you have any tips or tricks. that I would like to know. And if you have any questions or ideas, please feel free to leave a comment down below. And otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!